Hello everyone, my name is Victor Andrews. I'm going to take you through this class on trendline. In this class, you're going to learn what trendline is, how to draw them, and how to trade using trendline. Trend lines are used for structuring price action. They are also used to identify current trend and help confirm reversals of current trend. Before you is a chart of pound Aussie. To draw a trend line, all you need is to pick up your trend line tool as above. When you click on it, you connect at least two lowest points. And extend it. Okay. If price is above the trend line, it means that price is rising. In other words, it's an uptrend. And when price is under the trend line, it means that the trend is down. For the chart you see before you right now is showing that it's an uptrend from this point even all the way to this point. When price breaks the trend line, it shows that most likely price has reversed, as shown over here. Okay. When price is under the trend line, if price is under the trend line, it shows that the trend is down. How do I trade using trend line? You trade using trend line whenever price comes close around the trend line. At every point where price comes on the trend line, I show you price reversal candles. You enter a buy at the close of this candle, like it is shown at this point, and then your stop will be below the candle and outside. How do you trade using trend line? You enter a buy whenever price bounces on the trend line. As you see at this juncture, you can enter a buy at the close of this candle. Okay, this now serves as my entry. And my stop is below the candle. Risk reward ratio, looking at what happened after the entry. Okay. So also whenever price goes close around the trend line in a downtrend, you look for to a short trade. As you can see here, we can enter a short trade at this level. The trend line will be a shield or a protection to our stop. Whenever price breaks through a trend line, you do not enter immediately, or else you could enter into a trade that is actually a fake breakout. So the best thing to do is to wait for price to break out, and then at a retest of the trend line, which is a confirmation that the trend has been broken, then you can then enter a long trade. So also in an uptrend where price breaks through a trend line, you do not enter immediately, but you wait for a retest of that trend line. As you can see here, the price went back and retested the trend line but was rejected. This is a confirmation that the trend has been broken, and so you can now enter a short trade about this price. And you can see how price continued to nosedive after retesting the trend line. Finally, I believe that you have known what trend line is, how to draw trend line, and how to use trend line in your trading. But importantly, you should know that trend lines are support and resistance drawn at an angle. They are used to show overall market sentiment and find entry points for trading.